Windshields were the very first safety systems in vehicles, before seatbelts, before airbags. As a matter of fact, windshields provide 70% of the roof crush strength in a rollover accident, keeping your headspace safe. All of those safety advantages, though, go out the window if your windshield isn't replaced properly. There are a lot of auto glass replacement companies out there that go the cheapest route. They use bad glass, bad adhesives, unsafe techniques, and they really put you and your family at risk. That's why it's so important to choose someone who is using the best techniques, the best glass, the best adhesives. In other words, NOVUS. NOVUS locations are certified by the Auto Glass Safety Council to do your windshield replacement safely and get you back on the road. Don't cut corners when you're choosing an auto glass installer. Choose NOVUS.